News just coming in. In fact, we are learning from the crime branch that Delhi police will be submitting its first charge sheet in the Sagar Rana murder case in August. Now, 18 accused have been named, including wrestler Sushil Kumar, in this particular charge sheet. Now, there were 18 people who the police believed to be behind this, but only six, of course, are yet to be arrested. The Delhi police also have been talking about a larger conspiracy, and wrestler Sushil Kumar as well as his aides have been held in this particular case. We are now told that the charge sheet will be filed soon. Now, 6 more arrests, of course, are pending in this particular murder case. Just to remind our viewers that Sagar Rana was allegedly murdered at the behest of Sushil Kumar after they entered into an argument at the Chhatrasal Stadium's parking lot. Now, there were visuals that were accessed by the police through CCTVs, which helped them nab the accused. Atul on the phone line with us with more details. Atul, tell us more.
Well, the Delhi Police Crime Branch will soon submit its first charge sheet in Sagar Dhankar murder case, in which Sushil Kumar is main accused. Crime Branch has made 18 accused in the case, including Sushil Kumar. The charge sheet mentions arrest of 12 accused, including Sushil Kumar. And the sources are saying that 6 persons who are on the run, they will also be named in the charge sheet. The Delhi Police is saying that they have sent a few things to the forensic, and the report is about to come. The Delhi Police has requested the FSL to provide the forensic report as soon as possible, because it is very crucial for the charge sheet. The draft charge sheet is ready, and the Delhi Police is taking legal opinion. The top brass officers, including Joint Commissioner, DCP, and including the additional Commissioner and Commissioner of Police is looking into the matter, because this matter is very crucial for the Delhi Police, and they want that more and more evidence should be submitted with the charge sheet, because they want conviction in the case. Back to you.
All right. We also understand that the FSL is yet to provide the forensic report in this particular case.
Has not given its report to the Delhi Police, and Delhi Police has requested to FSL that they should provide the report as soon as possible, because without FSL report, they are not going to file this charge sheet. The previous Delhi Police Commissioner, S.N. Srivastava, had given a clear-cut instruction to the investigation officers as well as the DCP that if they will not get the FSL report, they should not move with the charge sheet. So that is why, that is one of the reasons that they have requested the FSL to, give them the FSL report as soon as possible.
All right, Atul reporting on that. Thank you.